Hello, this is Smiley Teacher, and I'm so glad to have you back. In today's lesson, we are going to find out some airport vocabulary. Let's get started. Look at this picture. What is it called? When the airplane leaves the ground and begins to fly. Take off. Example: the plane took off at 8:30 a.m. This word is opposite of this action. To arrive on the ground. Land. Land as a verb. We should land in Madrid at 7 a.m. They are both verbs. This is the area where passengers wait before boarding their flight. Departure lounge. Departure lounge. Example: relax in the departure lounge until your flight is called. Where is it? A store in airport that sells goods without charging the tax. Duty-free shop. Also, it's called duty-free store. It's a noun. Look at these two pictures. Here, we call it direct or direct flight. But take a look at this one. Flight is scheduled to leave after your first flight has arrived. This is called connecting flight. Let's put it into practice. Your starting point is United States, and then you go to England. But your final destination is actually France. So this is called connecting flight. It's a noun. Where is this place? Where passengers collect their checked luggage. It's called baggage carousel. Baggage carousel. The stress is at the beginning. Example: retrieve, synonym for get, your bags from the baggage carousel located in the arrivals hall. Here is a synonym. So, it's not about the place, it's about the action. Sometimes when you have a connecting flight, you need to wait in another airport, right? So it's a stop between flights where passengers may have to wait before boarding the next flight. This is called layover. Layover. Example: we have a 3-hour layover in Amsterdam before our connecting flight. Red eye flight. What does it mean? Flight that departs late at night and arrives the next morning. This is called red eye flight. I prefer taking a red eye flight to maximize my time at the destination. It's a noun. The feeling of being tired that you experience after a long flight to a place due to different time zones. Jet lag. Jet lag. Every time I fly to the States, I get really bad jet lag. The area where planes are parked, loaded and unloaded. Tarmac. Tarmac. The plane is parked on the tarmac, waiting for passengers to board. Let's practice. Please pause this video right now and fill in the gaps with the vocabulary in the box. In the next slide, I'm going to show you the answer key. Do this exercise on your own and then check the answer key. If you know any useful airport vocabulary, please write them in the comment section for us. Thank you for watching.